So my parents are both doctors, and they always wanted me to do something different, actually. They thought being a doctor's hard, it's challenging, there's all these other cool jobs out there in the world, pick something else. And I actually always loved science, and I actually thought what they did was really cool. And I always knew I'd wanted to do it. That was it, even when I was a kid. In medical school, in the first year, we have a course where you kind of learn how to assess cases and things like that, and our proctor was a cardiologist. And just the way he explained things and the cases and all those things, it was very exciting for me, and that was the point I said, that's what I want to do. What separates us is you're surrounded by a lot of experts. You're surrounded by people who can answer the question even if you don't know the answer, which is really comforting. And I think the system itself moves patients through very quickly and efficiently, and they're taken care of very well. I see patients both in the hospital and in the clinic. I think in the clinic, the first interaction is, I introduce myself and I ask them, what they want to accomplish coming here. Most of them are long-term patients. I take care of pretty sick patients, and so usually for a lot of them I take over their care, or I may help their local docs take care of them over time. We talk a lot, I see them a lot, and we get to know each other quite well, I think. And I see my patients pretty often, so I think over time I have a group of patients that I get to know very well. And sometimes there are really exciting things that happen. I take care of transplant patients too, and seeing someone suffer and then get that transplant and do well is really amazing, and it makes me very happy. Very recently, I took care of a younger guy in his 40s who got very, very ill very quickly, and we moved through things, and he got his transplant after a little bit, and he's just ready to attack the world. And I think about him a lot as saying that's a person who really we got through very nicely. And it went well. So I think about him quite a bit, actually.